So if you've watched any of my previous videos, you've probably figured out that I know how to run a MIG welder, and I have a MIG welder. Well, we got these fancy headers for Annabelle, and we don't know if we want to really MIG weld them. So the question is, I can MIG weld, but can I TIG weld? Let's find out today. Finally, I have made it back to the YouTube. It seems like it's been forever since we made a video, and maybe it has been, I don't know. Either way, as you can see there in the beginning, we got the headers mocked up for Annabelle here. Also, if you watched up to this point, you saw in the intro that I was making some practice welds on some scrap. So, yeah, obviously I'm not going to go into this completely blindsided, but little recap on where we've been. So obviously I had the 4th of July holiday and I had things I had to do to prepare for that, and they were pretty extreme. So, well, actually here, let me just show you right here. So yeah, there you go. So now I can add building a pool to my resume, and as someone who's done it myself now, my tip to anyone out there considering doing it, pay someone else to do it. It's a pain in the butt, it takes a lot of time, and it's probably cheaper just to pay someone to do it. I don't know if that's true as far as paying someone, but if I was going to do it again, I'd pay someone. It's a pain. So either way, moving on. So we're done with that. So what we're going to be doing is as you've seen, I get the headers mocked up. They're just tacked with the MIG welder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here Harbor Freight Vulcan Tig 205. We're going to find out how well it works. And again, I have very little TIG welding experience. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and TIG weld these headers. So obviously before I got started, I spent the time, well, I did exactly what anyone would do.
I found the answers to my questions on YouTube.
So yeah, so obviously I put in a little bit of research. You know, obviously we got all the stuff that's recommended, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, anyways, enough with me chatting. Let's get to it. Alright, real quick here, you can see in between the edits and everything, I've done flipped the exhaust around. Here I got it set up. You're probably also going to notice I have a band clamp on here. So again, trial and error is what this page is about. These here cheap plug things, probably not worth the investment. Say they're high heat, but they began to melt. Now that's probably also in part that I'm completely amateur at this, good lord. And then I'm spending too much time here in creating extra heat. It doesn't seem like there's a ton, but I'm definitely getting more than like your professional TIG welder. So either way, I got it flipped around here. Gonna hook our line back up and, you know, continue doing this. guys, you're still with me here. You can see that we have pretty much reached the end of the video here. If you've stayed along up to this point, you watched me attempt to TIG weld some headers. They are welded, I should say that. Are they pretty? Not really. They look like a beginner did these. Here's the V-band. You can see, not the prettiest thing. Is it sealed? Yes. Is it pretty? Nope. You can see some of these here turned out pretty good. You know, got a little rhythm going on there. This actually looks pretty decent through here. This one looks pretty decent. Got some, this is all sealed up. It's a little thick right here. You can see I definitely got some heat into it. And then here's the V-band there, which actually had some pretty big gaps, so, you know. Obviously did back purge it. I don't think it was enough gas pressure. Just looking at the inside, it's not terrible, but it's not as pretty on the inside as I would like. But either way, that's why we're doing this, right? Like I said before, you know, I'm willing to make an attempt at it. And if I mess it up too bad, then I'll have to pay someone who's a professional to do it. Does it look like a professional done it? Nope. If someone asks if a professional done it, nope, I'll tell them I did this and I was a beginner, but that's okay. That being said, obviously we still have the passenger side one to weld up. I'm not going to put that in a video. Obviously I'm sure they'll turn out, you know, just as good as these ones did. But so that being said, we're going to get here to the end of this here video. And then here we'll get this welded up, and hopefully in the next video we'll get some other stuff fabricated, and then we're going to start Miss Annabelle and we'll see what she sounds like. So as usual, if you guys are following along already and already subscribed, we greatly appreciate you. Make sure you give us a like, comment, let us know what you think, let us know how we're doing. Maybe you want to tell me how poopy the welds look, that's fine too. I'll take all those criticisms. But if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bottom right hand corner of your screen there. Give us a subscription if you enjoy what you're watching. Keep us motivated. And like I said, here probably within the next video, we should be starting this thing. So until then, we'll see you on the next one.